Ang laki nito, Tina, no?
Oo, laki.
Ang laki. Dalawa pa yung kainan nila. Dito may kainan, doon may kainan. Ang laki. Kaya nga. Kaya paikot naman yan eh. O doon naman mga Christmas. May daan din dyan. O kung doon tayo nagbumaba kanina, dito rin ang daan natin. O, dito rin yun. O dito maganda o. Kaya nila. O.
Dr. Archibald disappeared into the vortex of time while traveling through this museum. It is now up to you to follow in his footsteps and search for Dr. Archibald across different eras on the timeline, together with Kronos. Before you are drawn into the vortex of time during this family-friendly fantasy ride, you are about to enjoy a theme park level pre-show. With the latest 4K VR glasses, you will experience the individual stages of the journey through time in an impressive and realistic way. After the ride across 3 floors, you will travel through a fantasy world and the time back to the reality of the here and now.
Kung sinabi na sana hanapin natin.
Now join us on the search for the great historian, Dr. Archibald.
Nasa na si Randy? Nandito lang yun. Hindi masyadong matao, no? Masyadong crowded. Ay, baka pagkahapon. Kasi family, family day out kahapon. Gabi, ang laki. Ang laki nito, no? O, dyan din, kainan. Kainan dyan. Makainan din siguro yan. Ay, ganon. Ay, may ano. Parang may show, no? Diba?